This is a very simplistic way of how we look at GTM, right? It can only be two things, right? It can either be marketing led or it can be sales led, right? Uh, or some products are sales heavy and marketing is supporting, and some products are marketing heavy, sales or distribution is supporting, right? And the way I would look at it is, uh, if if the price is less, if there are a lot of customers, if the selling is very simple, right? If it is not very complex from a buying behavior, you can just sell it out of the box, right? If the customers go to a lot of transactions in one time, and if it's very low touch, then generally it's marketing heavy, right? I'll give you an example, right? Biscuits. It's a great example of a marketing. It's a pull driven GTM, right? I mean, you have to do ads, right? It's a very, very low price product. A lot of people have biscuits, right? There's nothing to sell. You're just buying it. It's out of the box, literally out of the box. You just put it on the product and eat it, right? People eat biscuits a lot of time in a month, in a day. So a lot of transactions happen in a month, right? And it's extremely low touch. Those are great examples where marketing has to lead. It's impossible for you to do a sales heavy model on these, right? FMCG creates distribution, but everything is push, from a, sorry, pull perspective, right? They have to get brand ambassadors, they will do advertisements, they will do paper, they will do radio, they have to create top of mind recall. So when you go stand in that counter, you will ask for a particular brand of product, right? On the other side, completely, I've given contrasting examples. I'm sure there are things that play in the middle also. But when the price is very heavy, when it's not a very, very vast market, right? When selling is consultative, when the solution is not out of the box, right? And when there's not many transactions and it's a high touch model, then it's predominantly sales led, right? Obviously, what we do at Picture Trail more falls on the right side, right? Average ticket value is about 2.5 lakhs, right? The entire outbound India market size is about 20 million people only, compared to the population of a billion plus, right? Selling is consultative. People have queries. People have apprehensions. Can I trust you with your money? You have to build trust, right? And it's not out of the box, right? I mean, what you will do in Maldives is very different from what somebody else will do in Maldives. So it's not a one size fits all kind of a product that they can sell out of the box. And you take once or twice in a year vacation. It's not a repeatable purchase behavior, and it's extremely high touch, right? So this is very important when you're looking at GTM, right? That will help you define, okay, what is a GTM. So then if it is marketing heavy, you have to buffer for marketing dollars, right? In your overall P&L, right, for the particular product launch. High touch is basically any kind of sales process that has multiple meetings to do. You have to have multiple collaterals, right, which you eventually have to produce to convince the customer to buy from you, right? But if you're buying a biscuit, there's nothing, right? You have top of mind recall, and you just know you want, let's say, Milk Bikis, or you want Good Day, and just go buy it, right? So it's a very low touch experience, right? Obviously, if the counter is not right, if the salesperson is not good, I mean, if the aisle is not properly decorated, you will have some friction. But otherwise, it's a very simple transaction that you do, right? That is low touch. Versus buying a car, buying a vacation, where you need multiple conversations, visits, right? Which is a high touch experience. Really high touch could be, people selling pharma devices into hospitals, right? Those big ass, MRI scan machines, right? Those are extremely high touch, or aeroplane buying, or the other extreme of high touch.